Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001, where we explore the world's most prestigious vehicles and bring you detailed reviews of the latest automotive masterpieces. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Lexus GX 550 Luxury, a vehicle that blends rugged off-road capability with unmatched luxury and cutting-edge technology. This SUV has undergone a significant transformation for 2026, making it one of the most exciting entries in the luxury SUV market. The Lexus GX 550 Luxury now boasts a bold new design language, inspired by Lexus's latest styling philosophy. At the front, the signature spindle grille is more refined, integrated seamlessly into the body with a more streamlined appearance. The LED headlights feature Lexus's triple-beam design, offering sharp visibility and an aggressive stance. The sculpted body lines flow effortlessly along the sides, giving it a muscular yet elegant look, while the 22-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. The rear is equally striking, with the full-width LED taillight bar and a redesigned tailgate that enhances its modern appeal. Step inside, and the 2026 GX 550 Luxury redefines comfort and craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, from supple semi-aniline leather seats to real wood and brushed aluminum trim. The spacious interior offers 3 rows of seating, with heated and ventilated seats in the first and second rows. The third row has been redesigned for better comfort and accessibility, making this SUV perfect for families or adventurous travelers. Technology takes center stage with a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded Mark Levinson premium audio system for an immersive sound experience. The fully digital instrument cluster and head-up display provide the driver with all the essential information in a sleek, modern layout. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus GX 550 Luxury is powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces an impressive 349 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet of torque, paired with the smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. The full-time 4-wheel drive system, combined with Lexus's advanced off-road technologies, such as crawl control and multi-terrain select, ensures this SUV is just as capable on rocky trails as it is on city streets. Safety is a top priority, with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. The 2026 GX 550 Luxury delivers a perfect balance between power, comfort, and innovation, appealing to drivers who demand more than just transportation. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement of style, capability, and refinement. With its bold design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Lexus GX 550 Luxury is ready to take on any journey with confidence and class. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Car 001 for more in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles of 2025 and 2026. Your support helps us bring you the best in luxury automotive content, and we have plenty more reviews coming your way. Stay tuned for our next video.